You know what? I've been doing this long enough to spot when something's actually worth paying attention to. So when I asked Claude to write a complete trading bot and it came back with clean, functional code that worked immediately, I knew this was different. No tinkering, no fixing broken logic, no wasting hours debugging. Just a solid, production-ready bot right out of the gate. This bot runs on its own around the clock. It scans the markets, finds opportunities, and executes trades automatically. I've tested plenty of systems over the years, and most of them require constant babysitting. Not this one. The returns are consistent, the performance is reliable, and I didn't have to write a single line of the code myself. You don't need to be a developer or spend hours studying charts. Everything is already built and ready for you to deploy. In this video, I'll take you through the full setup process and show you the actual results from my own live test. Here's how it works in simple terms. The system scans different exchanges for price differences, checks if there's enough liquidity, and then automatically makes a move when it finds a chance to profit. First, you'll want to install a Web3 wallet as a browser extension. Most Ethereum wallets work just fine. And if you're on your phone, no problem. Just use the browser that's built into your wallet app. Next, head over to the online development platform I've linked below. That's where we'll compile and launch the contract. Once it loads, create a new file and name it whatever you'd like. I've also included a link to the open source script Claude generated for us. Copy that code into your new file. There are comments throughout to help explain what each section is doing. Go to the compilation tab and check the Solidity version at the top of the script. Make sure your compiler settings are set to that version. If not, just choose the right one from the dropdown and click Compile. All right, now let's deploy. Connect your wallet in the deployment section and approve the connection. Once it's connected, you'll see your wallet address and ETH balance. Click Deploy, confirm the network fee, and wait for the confirmation message. After it's live, a simple dashboard will appear below. It's pretty easy to use. Just double-check that the owner address matches your wallet. Then you'll need to fund the bot so it can start trading. I recommend starting with 2 to 10 ETH. In this demo, I'm using 2 ETH. Copy the contract address, paste it into your wallet's transfer section, enter the amount, confirm, and wait for the block confirmations. Refresh your balance. Click Start, approve the transaction in your wallet, and let the blockchain process it. The bot is now active and you can track its trades in the logs. Let it run for a few hours, then check the early results. The initial profits look promising, but the system actually performs better when the market is moving. So I ran it for a full 24 hours to really see how it did. After that full day, everything went smoothly. You can see the complete trade history in the terminal. To stop the bot and withdraw your funds and profits, simply click Withdraw, confirm in your wallet, and wait for it to finish. All your funds returned safely, and the 24-hour profits were genuinely impressive. Quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. Just sharing what I've been working on with Claude.